Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and today it is time for a new nail polish of the week video. In these types of videos, I actually go in and live swatch one particular nail polish color, talk all about it, give you some extra information and just ramble a bit about life. It's the perfect time to do your nails together with me, so yeah. So grab your own nail supplies and go ahead and paint. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would highly recommend and of course appreciate you guys doing so. So yeah, first up, I already showed you the base coat that I'm going to use, which is one by Taco. I pretty much love this one. It is quite like a more expensive base coat. It works really nicely. It is the smoothing one, so it actually makes sure that if you have any ridges or anything like that in your nails, it just perfectly smooths it out for the nail polish to have a perfect base to grab onto. So it is a little bit more expensive. I think it's like $11, maybe $12 or something like that, but I really like it and I'm definitely going to use this bottle up. Usually I just go in with an Essence or Catrice base coat because those are really easy to get by for me and they are just so friendly to my wallet. They are really inexpensive. They're mostly like €2, €3 each, and there's just a ton out there that work really nicely. But the color that I am going to live swatch in this particular nail polish of the week video is one by the Essence Shine Last and Go collection, and it's called 62 Walking on Sunshine. I really love this one. Of course, on the bottle it says gel nail polish, but it is just a regular nail polish. You don't have to cure this one. It just gives a gel-like finish. Like, it's super glossy and just super lush. And yeah, this is just a really fun summery color. Like, it's not only a cool color to wear this time of year at the end of spring and summer is starting, but it's a really nice color to wear in fall as well, because it's that perfect sunny yellow, but it's a little bit more warmer, and I think it would be beautiful to combine this one with like brown tones and stuff like that. But yeah, for fall it's a really nice color as well. I really love those mustardy ochre like yellow colors. I think they're really gorgeous. It's actually a color that I love to wear like fashion wise as well. I do have some sweaters in this color and I just think it's a really warm and just cozy kind of color, if you know what I mean. I just really like it. But this first coat with this polish is still a little patchy. I have actually done like a quick swatch of this color and 7 other colors from the new updated Essence Shine Last and Go nail polish collection line. So if you want to check out that video, you can totally do so after you've watched this video if you're curious to see the other colors that came out this spring summer. But yeah, it's a little bit patchy still, and even with the second coat that I'm going to apply in a little bit, you can see that on some parts of the nail it's still a little bit see-through. I didn't really mind that at the moment while recording this video because I actually only wore it for like 2 days, and then it was time for me to switch up my manicure again and actually record a really pretty nail art design for you guys. So yeah, after waiting for I think like 3 to 5 minutes before going in with that second layer, yeah, I just went in. That's what I wanted to say. Just wait for a couple of minutes before your polish is like 90% towards 100% dry before you go in with the second layer, and just work with thin coats as well. That just works best, and it just makes sure that you don't have to wait like an hour before your nail polish is completely dry and hardened out, because you don't want to mess up your manicure after you've like spent 10 to 15 minutes to actually just perfect it. You just want to rock it for whatever amount of time you want to wear that color. So yeah, just wait a little bit, apply thin layers, and of course always cap off the edge of your nails as well, so your manicure will last a longer period of time without any chipping or tip wear. But this was the second coat already. You can see, especially on the middle finger and on the thumb, you can still see my natural like tip, my smile line peek through a little bit. Usually I really don't like it, but for this color it wasn't that noticeable in real life. It's just because I'm recording with so many like bright LED lights at my like recording station, just to call it like that. It just it makes sure that my camera picks up every single detail, and if it's just a little bit sheer, it will definitely be seen on camera, but not with like the bare eye, if you know what I mean. But as a top coat in this particular manicure, I'm going in with the Catrice Sleep Proof top coat. This one is quite inexpensive as well. I think it's like between 360 in euros, so that's pretty nice. Of course, the sleep proof one actually is a quick drying one, but gives a beautiful glossy finish, and it pretty much is a quick drying top coat. I feel like having to wait like 3 minutes before it's completely dry is not a bad thing. Of course, always apply a thin layer of this one as well, just to prevent any dents and crinkles, you know the drill. But yeah, the price of the essence polish is 169 in euros, by the way, so it's really inexpensive. Do grab this color if you're into yellow tones. But that was already this entire new nail polish of the week video. Let me know what you think about this color down below in the comment section. I would love to hear your opinion. Maybe you've already got this polish yourself. Just let me know what you think. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Stay safe and healthy, and as usual, I'd love to see you all in my next video.